In the sterile extraction hall, high-speed automated paring machines precisely remove the outer husk, preparing the raw material for pressing.
Check the next batch carefully. This one looks good.
The whole coconuts are fed into the pre-crusher, where massive industrial graters rapidly transform the solid meat into fine shreds.
After deseeding, the pure white meat is crushed and grated, producing the rich base for the milk extraction process.
The screw press separates the rich milk, leaving behind the dry cake, which tumbles efficiently down the discharge chute. Here we see the result of the first pressing, a highly viscous, opaque coconut cream flowing into the aseptic collection tray. The residual pulp is re-wetted with purified water, preparing the fibers for a second, more thin. The second pressing yields a noticeably different result. This thinner, more translucent milk flows rapidly. In the extraction hall, the first and second extracts swirl together, undergoing turbulent mixing before... Condensation on the tanks confirms the chilling process is working optimally before filtration. To ensure freshness, the milk is rapidly cooled to 4 degrees, preventing bacterial growth.
The high-speed centrifuge removes the remaining heavy solids, ensuring only the purest coconut milk proceeds to the next phase. After centrifuging, the clarified coconut milk is now ready for the crucial stage of chemical balancing and standardization. Inside the heat exchanger, alternating layers of hot water and cold milk allow for efficient heat transfer through the thin metal plates.
Before homogenization,
The coconut milk accelerates, pumped at high pressure into the UHT system for sterilization.
To achieve commercial sterility, the milk is rapidly heated.
The automated clean-in-place system flushes the lines. As the sterilization becomes active, the temperature rises, guaranteeing a fully aseptic environment.
The digital analyzer confirms the product meets the exact specifications for premium coconut milk, displaying 18.0% fat. From the storage tanks, the coconut milk is meticulously transported through an intricate network of polished steel, crossing the barrier into the sterile zone.
The flat packaging material plunges into a bath of hot hydrogen peroxide, where it is chemically sterilized before forming.
Induction heating jaws clamp onto the bottom of the tube. The heat instantly melts the polyethylene layer, creating a waterproof seal for the carton base.
To ensure a perfect seal, a precise jet of nitrogen eliminates any remaining microbubbles on the surface. In the finished goods warehouse, the automated tray packer forcefully groups the cartons, preparing them for wholesale distribution.
In the finished goods warehouse, this articulated robot arm stacks the final product with unwavering precision, preparing it for distribution. Once stacked, the pallets are moved to the stretch wrapper, where they are securely bound in clear film, ready for global distribution.
From our state-of-the-art facility to your table, ensuring the highest quality organic coconut milk.
A hand reaches out and selects the carton from the shelf. This human connection completes the cycle from harvester to consumer.